Hello, my name is Ivan Hernandez. In this video, I will give you 10 ingredients to prepare delicious empanadas. The empanadas are deliciously fried, spicy filled with slimy and pulpy. They are crispy and the outside and inside the empanadas are apple spins in rolls and street corned often harvested with spicy ají sauce. In pie cook the onions and garlic until soft, then add the ground beef. Season with salt, pepper and cumin cooked until brown. Add the meat pressed through to the milk and mix well let it cool. In a bowl, mix cold milk, butter, salt, and heels knead into small balls. Inflate the eggs into a straight circle. Place a spoonful and filling in the center egg in circle. Fold the dots over the filling folds. It hides one fate. Seal the ducts by pressing weak falls center of each part. Heat through in the pan and fry the empanadas until golden and crispy. Out in drain and prepare strawberry sides herview a Jesus eggs decides. And this is how to prepare the legs empanada. Thank you very much.